Friday. 2 days until the Lumora Community Day presentation. Okay team. 2 days. Let's just nail down the running order and—
So I just wanted to double check for my section. Should it be 3 points or 4?
4 points like we agreed yesterday. And the day before. We're good. Zara wrote it down again. She was just being careful. She always was. He hadn't slept much. Her mom was working night shifts. Stuff at home.
Yo Key, can I borrow a red marker? Mine's basically dead.
You okay, Key? You look like you didn't sleep.
I'm fine. Just want to wrap this up. Let's keep moving.
Wait, actually one more thing. What color should my section's heading be?
Key's marker stopped. Her jaw tightened. The words came out before she could. Why are you always like this? Just listen for once. We decided. The classroom went silent. Even the kids 3 tables overheard it.
Sorry. I'll figure it out. Sorry.
Zara stood up. Picked up her bag. Walked out of the classroom. The door clicked shut. Nobody said anything. Then everyone said something.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. That was kind of harsh. Like really harsh, Key.
I know. She keeps asking the same question. She wasn't slowing us down on purpose. She was trying to do it right. I'll text her. I'll fix it. Let's just finish this so it wasn't She typed, hey sorry I snapped. Didn't mean it. You good? Across the school in the empty library, Zara's phone buzzed. She read it.
Okay.
Back in the classroom, Key's phone lit up. She read, okay. Felt the relief. Saturday morning. Group chat. Key texted, morning team. Mia, I'm in. Jake, yep. Zara stayed unread. Key watched the unread dot for 10 minutes. Her stomach started to tighten. Lumora School Library. Saturday session. 5 out of 6 showed up.
She's not coming, is she?
Key's stomach dropped. The fast apology hadn't fixed anything. Hey Key. Walk with me to the vending machine real quick. Empty hallway. Vending machine humming. Luna leaned against the wall. What did you actually mean to say yesterday? Not what came out. What was on? Key opened her mouth. Then closed it. Then opened it again. I was tired. Mom's been working nights. I felt. So you took it out on Zara because she was the one asking to be heard. Key sat with it. Eyes wet. Her hands closed into fists, then opened it. I have to apologize properly. Not the text. A real one. Yeah, you do. But first, figure out what you're actually apologizing for. Back in the study room. Key tried calling Zara. Voicemail. No reply. Group worked. The poster came together.
We can't present without her section. We shouldn't.
Agreed. If she comes back, it's her choice. We don't replace her part.
Key nodded. Eyes wet again. Her friends were holding the line for Zara with that. Sunday morning. Key sat at her kitchen table alone. Phone in front of. She wrote, I'm so sorry. Deleted it. Right, I didn't mean it. Then she put the phone down. Closed her eyes. Breathed. She realized she'd been trying to apologize so Zara would forgive her. Not so Zara. Monday morning. Lumora School. Key waited outside the science room. Can we go somewhere for 10 minutes? Before class? I don't want to sit. Zara looked at her for a long second. Then nodded. They walked to the empty stairwell. Quiet. Key didn't lead with sorry. I want to listen. Before I say anything. Can you tell me how I made you? Zara looked at the window. Took a breath. The words came out slowly.
You make me feel like my pace is wrong. Like I'm slowing you down just by being careful. I knew it wasn't only about Friday. It's been months. I just didn't say it before.
Key didn't jump in with sorry. She just nodded slowly. Let the words, you're right. And I'm sorry, not for the words. For not seeing, I was tired and I made it about me. You were doing your job and I made you feel smart. Zara's mouth opened. Closed. Opened again. The tears.
Thank you. For actually saying it. I didn't think you would.
I almost didn't. I had to learn first. Luna helped me.
She does that. She sees stuff. Like Mia. I should learn how they do it.
They sat there for another minute. Not saying anything. Just being okay to. First period bell rang. They didn't move yet. Then Zara stood and Key took it. Zara pulled her up. They walked back to class side by side. Lunch period. Cafeteria. The friend group looked up as Key and Zara.
Yo. Saved you guys seats.
Zara sat down. Mia slid her tray over to share fries. Nobody. Across the table Luna caught Key's eye. Gave the smallest nod. Key. After lunch the group walked together to finish the poster. Zara filled in her section. Presentation day. Tuesday morning. The 6 of them stood in front of Miss. Zara presented her section first. Voice steady. Clear. Mr. Gaines, good work team. Real teamwork shows in the details. After class Key pulled Zara aside one more time. Just to say one more thing. When you ask me a question now, I'm gonna answer it like it's the first time you asked.
And I'm gonna trust you the first time you tell me something is okay. Deal?
They walked together back into the bright Lumora hallway. The friend group waited for them at the A real apology starts with listening. And before you can give one, you have to forgive yourself. The hard part isn't saying sorry. The hard part is meaning it enough to listen first.